It's a bad man thing.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs2WaistLength with another quick wig show and tell. And ladies, today this is a unit brought to you by Vanessa Hair. If you are not familiar with Vanessa Hair, girl, they bring the slay. They have a couple of units. I can't even think of the names, but they definitely have some great units. So if you are interested in seeing any of their units, I'll definitely leave a direct link to some purchase sites in the description box down below. And this is on a new unit by them, and it's in the style satin. Well, I can't find the care card, unfortunately, but I'll put a picture of what the care card looks like. And this is Miss Satin out of the pack. So this is a human hair blend unit. It is also a full cap wig. You have two combs right by the parting space, which is bomb for some. Here is your parting. Lots of parting. Girl, that is a serious part. No plucking, no tweezing necessary. This part looks really good out of the pack. Not too sure how I'm feeling about the bumped ends, but we're gonna see. So let's get into this review. Yes, indeed. I am definitely getting some Kim K vibes with this bob. Miss Satin. This is just such a perfect bob for summer, spring, winter, fall, you name it. It is more on the thin side, but I think it's perfect density. Even with this being a full cap wig or a lace part wig, it is laying super flat. You will possibly have like a line of demarcation, but that's nothing that got to be glued cannot fix with this wig. Very nice texture. So this is with all the hair, of course, to the front. You guys know how I feel about them bumped ends, girl. They don't always work for me. You have to go through and flatten them just a little bit. You know, it is, it is similar to the other wigs we have out there, the Yaras and the Cabrinas. It is very similar, but I think with each brand, they bring something different to this style. Vanessa Hair is definitely bringing something different to this style. Very natural, very subtle. It's not too overdone, and I actually really like this texture. The texture is spot on. Does have a little bit of a luster to it. But of course, dry shampoo can solve that, boo-boo. But if you guys are interested in Miss Satin, I'll definitely leave some purchase links in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel, girl. Let me know that you are here. And ladies, let's say it together. Whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.